Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok login issues. If you have any problem with the login on TikTok, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then go to the TikTok app like this, click on force stop, go to the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back and this time click on the data usage here, and now make sure to enable all the options here: the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data, and the roaming data. Everything should be enabled. Go back and now click on the power usage details right here. Make sure to disable the power consumption alert and enable it back again, and then go back to the settings of your phone, and this time you have to open the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds, exactly 5 seconds, and disable it. Now all what you want to do next is open TikTok and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.